Yeah, it's Boris the hair zipper, the crochet master. Yeah.
Yes, welcome to our YouTube channel, the Hair Zipper. Thank you so much for those ones who are watching us, and thank you so much for those ones who have subscribed to our channel. And please, if you haven't, just tap on that red word subscribe. Thank you so much. And since we're in the quarantine, we'll no longer have those tutorials that we've been having. So today I would like to share with you something very simple, and it's also going to help you in this quarantine, so that by the time we shall be out from it, we pray that all things get well. You will also be able to know and to tell how you can also maintain your hair. So people have been asking, like, why do their hair break in front, and this is what I would like to share with you. Like, why is your hair breaking in front? Like, every time you plait hair, it breaks in front. Like, people have stopped from plaiting dreads, from plaiting braids, and even pencil. Like, they keep on saying like their hair breaks a lot in front. So this happened, one, people have you have you keep on using this chemical in front here as in the way of making baby hair. This is not good at all. Let me try to explain. Whenever we are doing or we're using the retouching the chemical on our baby hair, this happen in that we use it, but we don't apply the shampoo. We don't apply the treatment, so that chemical keep on processing. This is what I mean. Whenever we put it there, like when we're doing the baby hair, we just bring a towel with some hot water, just that, then we smear it, we remove it. So I don't think that the chemical I don't think that when you do like that, the chemical will be removed. It will keep on processing because you have not taken all those steps of the shampoo or the conditioner and the treatment. So this one will make your hair become weak, since it doesn't last long, even because when you do that baby hair, it won't last for a week. It will just last for just 5 days, and it will make you to go back there to do that thing again. So whenever you keep on doing it every time, your hairline is going to lose that strength. So by the time you will plait, or you will try to style your hair, this hair will be weak, so it will keep on breaking your hair. So please, we should try um, to be careful whenever we are going to use that chemical, the retouching chemical, on our sides. That one happened to those people with straight hair. Yes, so with the natural hair, still it can also break. Even the straight hair, it can break, but those people with the natural hair, at times, like when you have plaited your hair and you feel pain here in front. When you feel pain in front or behind, let's say you have plaited braids and you feel the pain in front here, that one always happen when they're overstretched your hair, like they have pulled your hair. I would advise, like, if something that happened to you, just hold it in one place and you leave it there, because when you keep on styling them, trust me, they will make your braids break a lot. So first thing, you should avoid that retouch thing when you don't have baby hair. The only thing you can use when you see those hair that have removed, that they didn't hold, at least you can use a gel. Yeah, there's eco gel, you can use it to maintain your hair. So please, let's not keep on using this chemical for our baby hair. if we're not going to do all those steps, the shampoo, the treatment, to make them strong. So those ones who have been having that habit, trust me, it's going to break hair more. So I think I'm going to be teaching you on the next video. I will show you the that you can use, and why and how you can maintain your hair so that they cannot break. Because I'll be showing you that the weeks, the days you're allowed to style your braids, or even when they're old, how the time you're going to spend with them so that you unplay it. Because at times when you stay with them for a long time, still it can bring your hair to break. So I don't have enough time by now, but I'll do it in my next video so that we keep on learning on how we can maintain our hair. So thank you so much for subscribing our YouTube channel, and I love you so much. I will keep on posting you on how we can maintain our baby hair. But please, those ones who always use the chemical hair in front for baby hair, trust me, that thing is breaking your hair a lot. So you should try to use the gel for those hair to do it well. So thank you so much. I love you.